Inset in Blender, just like CAD. With Blender's standard Inset tool, faces can overlap when the inset goes too far. This can create broken geometry. CAD Inset is made to solve this problem. Simply press Shift-I to start CAD Inset. While the tool is active, press I to switch to individual mode. CAD Inset keeps the faces from overlapping and gives you a clean result, just like an inset in CAD software. The same problem can also appear on irregular geometry, but CAD Inset can handle it easily. CAD Inset is especially useful when insetting faces around beveled edges. Instead of repairing overlapping faces by hand, you can create the inset directly. This can greatly speed up your modeling workflow. Even on more complex geometry, CAD Inset can still create a clean and stable result. It follows the shape and keeps the inset under control. CAD Inset is not limited to flat faces. You can also use it across connected faces with different angles. Faster and cleaner inset modeling directly inside Blender.